Okay, so we have here the smart card reader from the company Trust, and this smart card reader working with CNSTS, CRS, DNIe 3.0 and the last one is DNIe. So it's for the USB connection, and let's together to unbox this smart card ID reader for personal identification on websites. So let's go together. So we have here this. Okay, like this. Just there underneath. And inside so it looks like this. Trust. Also we have inside this some information how to use. So software can be found on the website, so it's very easy. User guide is here, and right here we can see the reader. So we can take out it and check how does it look. So like this, you can input here your ID card and it should working, and cable and USB port. So if you want to buy the same, you can check the link below. And thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.